Setting up district email on an iPad. After performing the tasks shown in this video, you will have successfully set up your iPad email app to connect to your district email account. To get maximum benefit from this video, it is suggested you view it on a computer while performing the tasks it demonstrates on your iPad. You can pause the video and re-watch portions of it at any time as needed. We're going to take a look at the steps for setting up our GISD email initially on an iPad. First, tap the Settings app, and then in the left-hand navigation, tap Mail, Contacts, Calendars. On the Mail Contacts Calendar settings screen, at the top, tap Add Account, and then tap Exchange. In the email field, type your full Georgetown ISD email address. This is your username at georgetownISD.org. In the password field, type your password. Then tap Next. After your login credentials are verified, this screen will be shown. It shows that your mail, contacts, calendars, reminders, and notes will all be synced up. Tap Save, and your account is now added. You can see it listed at the top of the screen under Accounts. Your iPad might start making a few noises as your email syncs down from the server. One thing it is suggested you check is how frequently your iPad is going to fetch new email. Tap Fetch New Data. The default here is to push, which means anytime you get a new email, it's going to be pushed to your iPad. This can be pretty disruptive if you're using your iPad for teaching. So it is suggested that you turn push off and that you also tap on the Exchange account here and switch it to Fetch. Tap the back arrow to return to the previous screen, and now you can tell the iPad how often you want it to fetch your email. The more often it fetches, the more battery is used, and the more often it's going to interrupt you. You might want to change it to hourly or even manually. Note that manually means you'll have to go into your Mail app and do a swipe down to ask it to check for email. Hourly is probably sufficient. I'm going to press the Home button to return to Home. And I can see on my Mail icon there's a little badge now showing that I have 4 new emails waiting for me. This concludes our video on how to set up the iPad email app to sync with your district Outlook email. A separate video will orient you to using the email app. If you are watching this video as part of iPad Basic Training, please proceed to the next section as instructed in the online materials.